Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak on Nibaran Chandra Laskar. He was an Indian singer, musician, sportsman, social worker, professor and politician. He was a gold medalist in Sanskrit and Bengali from Dhaka University. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Assam on a Congress ticket. In Constituent Assembly, he mostly spoke as regards the political rights of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. (23rd of August 1949). Quote, during the last session of Constituent Assembly, the historic decision was made to abolish the reservation of seats for minorities except in case of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. I offer my heartfelt thanks to members of Constituent Assembly who were good enough to support the report of minority subcommittee and granted their privileges to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. I shall be failing in my duty if I do not say that scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the country will ever remain grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, the Chairman of the Minority Subcommittee, who really felt the demands and grievances of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe and who had to face strong opposition for their cause. It is through their grace the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes are getting their political rights. Unquote. So this is what he expressed on based on scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. He passed away on 29th June. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.